Wakanda forever. Hello. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to my first ever pitch session. For my pitch, I would like to pitch to you an idea, a very important idea. And that idea is called anti-uni. Anti-uni. Or, in short, anti-university. By the end of my pitch, you will all follow me and be anti of university. Right? Seriously though, this is the issue. Why do we need to say no to universities? So remember my tagline. My tagline says, say no to uni studies. Say no to university studies. One more time, repeat after me. 1, 2, 3. Say no to university studies. Why do we need to say that? Well, there is a problem right now when it comes to university studies, and this is a very serious problem that affects many students, not just in Malaysia but also other developing countries and developed countries around the world. Why do you need to spend so much money and time on your university studies? Why? And is it worth it? Is it worth it when you have to pay PTPTN when your salary after you finish your studies is just about the same as someone who has SPM qualifications? Answer that question now. So that is the problem that you are facing, you might be facing in the future. So what is the solution? There is a solution. Maybe go to university, come to university, but don't do a degree. Don't do a degree because a degree will be expensive and it will be too long. So when you come to university, just spend your time and your money on a certificate. 6-month certificate or a diploma. 4 semesters, 5 semesters, 2 years, 2.5 years. And then after that, when you finish everything, when you've graduated, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, continue your studies online. So that is the solution I like to present to you. My unique value proposition, I like to propose to you that we have many alternatives nowadays. For example, we've got Google Professional Qualifications. Repeat after me. Google Professional Qualifications. They are more relevant and they are cheaper. You can do a certificate in about 4 months and the cost is about 1,200 ringgit. 1,200 ringgit. Isn't that cheap? Isn't that cheap? And while you're doing that, maybe you're working. Maybe you're working, or maybe you're even doing your own business. So as you study, you're working. As you're working, you get money. And then you study some more. And you see how the cycle works. So that is my unique proposition to you. Why you should be anti-uni. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, there's another thing that I like to tell you. You need to focus and remember, because nowadays what is happening is Google and other companies, they have been offering, you need to take attention, you need to know that they have been offering professional courses for many years now. This is nothing new. This is nothing new. Of course, universities will be older, but does all mean goal? Does all in this new world, in this modern era, does all mean experience? Does all mean maturity? Or does all mean you are just a dinosaur? So this is it. Google, Microsoft, many other companies, they have been offering professional level courses in IT, in data science, business, management, art and design. So many courses. Relevant, cheap, short time. So this is what is actually happening. This is the traction that has been happening for many years now. Another reason why we should be anti-uni. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I like to take the opportunity to invite all of you. Let's take action. So my call to action to you is, this is the time to take action. Let's not just be in the past. When you come to university, do a degree, master's, PhD, yeah. Nah. You become a dinosaur, like me. Come to the future. Come to the future. Maybe just do a certificate. Maybe just do a diploma. And then after that, start working. And while you're working, you got money. You continue some more. But you don't do an online degree or master's or PhD. Nah. Wasting time, wasting money. You do a professional level course. So that is my pitch to you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you so much for listening to me. Remember, we are all anti-uni. Say no to university studies. Thank you for listening. Join me in my next speech.